to YouTube and the COPPA laws. If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA and I am here with an unboxing. I'm so excited to see what's in this package. So I was contacted by Danny, one of the reps for Elizabeth Craft Designs, and she asked if I wanted to be a part of their design team, and I said yes. So I am literally just getting around to opening up this box. I just kind of want to start off the new year with an unboxing and then getting some projects done. So happy new year to you guys. This might be New Year day number 3, 4, somewhere around there, but happy new year. I hope you celebrated safely and happily with your friends and family. So anyway, let's go ahead and get to see what's in this box. Okay. All right, let me see. Hold on a second. Okay, so I'm going to move this box off to the side and get these things open so you guys can see. Okay, so right off the top, there is an A5 planner, and it's a blank canvas planner. So, oh, this is so cute. So with this, I know that there are different types of planners on the website, and I know that you're able to choose like between denim and some other neutral colors and things like that. I'm glad that I have this canvas one because you can alter this. It's a blank canvas. You can do some doodling. You can do some painting. And first of all, yes, I am loving this box. I'm going to save it. And it's going to be a nice little box for a little rack. Thank you. So anyway, this feels really nice. It doesn't feel like a canvas texture. It literally feels like leather. It's so soft. Oh, and it has her stamp down here, Elizabeth Craft Designs. Really cool. It's a binder. It stretches, closes that up with the little closure piece. Very nice. There's some pockets in here, and then also a little pen holder. And then this opens and closes. 6 binding rings, and it is A5 size. So perfect size for me. I like them big. So definitely like that. I think I'm going to have my daughter draw on this. I might have her do some artwork on here. So yeah, I think that'll be cool to have that do. I don't know. So many things I can use this for. I was talking to one of my friends, and she was going to do a monthly, like a December daily in another month, basically. And I like the idea of a 365, but I don't want to commit to doing everything 365. So I just may do a mix in between. So I think this will be perfect for that. So really nice blank A5 planner in the canvas theme. And then we have some clear double-sided adhesive. This is 15 millimeters. You get 27 yards. Really nice. I've had some of her double-sided tape before, so very strong hold. And I have that, and then the 1/4 inch too. So this is 10 millimeters, and again 27 yards of that. So that's your thicknesses right there. Definitely come in handy in all arenas of paper crafting. And then we have this stamp set. It's called Words and Layers, and it's art journal Charlene and Lise. And this is really cute. It has like a little mixed media kind of feel. I think this is really cute. Kind of silly, kind of awesome. Stronger Together, The Bee's Knees, Unstoppable, and super cute. And it says We Are up there at the top. Really nice. Yeah, it's Words and Layers, CS170. And we have this one here. It's called Polaroid Embellishments 1. Really cool. You guys can see. Let me see if there's a glare. Okay. This is a stamp set. I love this zipper here. Really cool. It says hashtag look at me, hashtag special moments, hashtag home life, and then you have a little stamp for location, my story, and then you have the Polaroid with the little page flag stamp and some X's, some faux stitching. Really cute stamp set. There's a large die here. It's approximately 1 by 4. It says special moments. Cutting die, 2 separate dies. Really cute font. So that's how it cuts out. I'll specially like. And then we're getting into some planner essentials. Planner Essentials 11. And this is a stamp. Looks like a stamp. And it has the little holes over here to put in the planner. Let's see. So yeah, I definitely can mimic like a 365 with this. And then this can go. Okay, so it fits on these two. Oh, that's cute. Not these two, last two and the first two here. So really nice, like break up the monotony of everything being the same page. So really cute. So it has a ripped edge one, and this goes the length of the planner here. And then this is like a ticket, and they have smaller tickets in here, and little tear off tabs, all these cute little things, some hole reinforcers. And this is what it looks like on the back. I love that they give you examples of that. Oh yeah, really, I like this layering. Oh, this is cute. I love it. Oh yeah, I like that. That's really nice. And again, that's called Planner Essentials 11. And then I have Planner Essentials 20 half heart page set. This is super cool. It has the cute little light bulbs down here at the bottom. And then it has 2 hearts. So you actually can cut double and then have an open layout. Or you can cut it smaller and also have an open layout. This says love. There's a background die for it, and then there's a top little layer there that you can layer the pieces on. There's some hearts. There's hearts and stitches within the light bulb. This says love right now. Love right now on here on this light bulb. And then there's some examples. Oh, so here is an example of that open layout. So you actually can use it as an offset and then page or not. You can have it separately or combine them together on one page. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, this is lovely. They combined the heart page with like one of the photos pages, Polaroids. So this is Planner Essentials 20. Love that. And then we have Planner Essentials 32. It's a Viewmaster. I know you guys are, I'm dating myself right now, but love a Viewmaster. So cute. So this has holes all around the edges. I love that. The 2 little pieces here. And then it says hello. There's another, there's what is this? A tag with a little airplane here. And then there's some more tags. It has travel. It has sun calling. There are some tiny little hole reinforcers for the tiny tags. There's like a travel tag here with a little car. That is really cool. I love that. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, it's double-sided. Okay, so we have the maybe the outer layer here, and then the smaller layer with the, I was wondering where the Viewmaster pieces were. I was like, okay, maybe it could be a Viewmaster, maybe be a rainbow, but here's the back side, and it has the holes for the Viewmaster. Oh my gosh, you can open it up and do a whole circle. I love that. And it has the number 1, and then you have the frames on the outside here, and then the little paper clip. This is so fun. This is going to be fun. So excited to do these with you guys and do them for myself. We also have photo film slides, and so this is, yeah, like the film strips. And you have the film strip here. There's a little tag, window tag here, some frames to layer on top of there. Oh, cute little door handle tag. All these is a little girl. All these cute little things. And this is the base that you can use. You can open it up. See, like on here, they use it 2 different pages. You can fold it in half, put it together, and open it like a folder. Love the little tags down here. those are the frames there. And then I think there's a stamp set too that you could use with, coordinate with that too. So this is really cool. Photo film slides, 1941. And then we have Planner Essentials 54, half tab, page 2. And at first I thought this was a rosette, like looking at it just now, I'm like, it's a rosette? That is so cute. I think I have a rosette kind of like this. So that's fun. This is a page tab. You can use it on your page, or you can use it as like just a little extra little something to have. Decor. I love this string here. This little string set with a little heart in it. There's one with a Christmas tree. This one has a heart as well. And then this is the folder page. And then this says, I am just horrible at that, reading a die backwards or upside down. Okay, so here is that that little, this thing here, the ties, faux ties, that's on this right here. So that's really cool. And then we have the stitched rings there. There's the Christmas tree. There's the heart. I'm trying to see what the word says, because like I said, I am just horrible. Oh, look what they did here. They did the little banner page. They stuck it to the folder. They stuck this to that. So that is really cool. I hope you guys know what I'm saying. I know you understand. Well, you know what? When I work with it, we're going to see it all together. There we go. That's awesome. I also have this die, says decorative insert, and it's just exactly what it says. It is, you can fold this up and it's like a little tear rip page. You have some funny shape hexagons here, and then this cute little swirly heart swirl. There's some drippy circles and some hearts. Really, really cool. Fun stuff to just add to your pages and things like that. So it's decorative insert, 1784. And then we have a flower die, a symbol flower petals. Okay. This is Florals 4, 1776. And this is what it looks like in the end. And then it has all these pieces here. So you have your petals and your leaves. This is going to be a super cute flower. I love making this. I just need to find some good mulberry paper to make them look how they supposed to look, but definitely regular paper can do this justice. And get you some inks, honey, and you'll be good to go. So it's a nice big size where you can work with it. So really, really cool. It's Florals number 4. Oh, this is so cute. Florals number 12, 1873. Look how cute that looks. I love a textured flower. It's giving poinsettia. It's giving spring. It is really cute. And it comes with all of these pieces here. Really, really fun. So you can curl these up. Already has a little edges. You have your center pieces in here in your base. Really cute. Some leaves. And this is like your holly. So this is maybe a poinsettia die, but we can mix and match some papers and make it not so poinsettia-y if we want. So it could be a year-round die. So this is Florals 12. And then we have a stencil. It's called Artsy Pants. Such a cute stencil. I love that on there. It's the same. It doesn't give you an example in the back, but you can see this really cute stencil with all of the like little script. It says gorgeous pages, artsy pants, planner, journal. There's some little stars over here. So you can use what you want, or you can use the whole thing if you want. You can delay it on here and, you know, do your little shading and call it a day, or use the whole thing. So really, really fun stencil. I like that. All right. And then we have, this is a, oh, this is a cute, it's like a little mini album. It is limited edition camera kit. And this is the inspiration sheet. Oh, this is nice. Look at the inspiration. You can make your own little mini album. Or you can use it as a page. You can definitely do two things here. You can use it as a card. Like it's a versatile piece. Oh, this is so cute. I love these little reinforcers on here. Do they come with it? Let's see. So we have, you get your binding rings. You get 2 binding rings. And then we have camera insert kit. And this looks like it folds over. So you can have your, you know, the 2 pieces can fold together and they're all stitched nice and sturdy. And then you have like a globe And you have some stitch shapes along here, a little happy face, some circles, outer circle, inner circle. There's a scallop circle, some corner pages. This says smile. There's a corner tab that's an envelope on here. There's actually two. That is really cool. I like that. I think this goes around. Yeah, these go around the, like the flash and the viewer, so that you can have, you know, some different designs like that is, and then the circle around there. So really fun. And then you have a film strip roll, and then you also have this little tab on the side, and that's what you see here on this right there. So you have the little tab there, and then you have your layer page for your camera, and then another stitch page to go on top of that. So for your photo, look at the cute little camera die. It's one piece, looks like it folds up in half. That's really cool. And then we have this shape that must go, it goes with something. The shape goes with something. So what does that match to? I don't know. I don't know. But you know what? We could personalize it our way, and we will find out where that goes. But this is fun. This is really, really cute. I like that. So I'm going to keep all of this together, so when it's time to either insert that in my 360 something or 3 something, I got to think of a cool name for it. All about me type of thing. Then I will be able to play with that. So that's the last thing that was in this loaded design team package. So I am super excited to start this journey with you guys. So stay tuned for videos using these products and maybe making some pages with me. Some may be a show and tell, some may be a craft with me. We may do some live. So that is going to be super fun. So thank you so much, Danny, for reaching out to me. Thank you, Elizabeth Craft Designs. I will have a link below in the description box to all of the items that you guys see here. So if you have a second, take a second and like this video. Let me know what you think. Y'all, do y'all like this? Was just something that you would get? What ideas do you have using these products? And let me know. Yeah, drop those down in the comments below. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.